So if you can't get that Amazon web stream version to work, we decided to use this little version here. And what it is, it's an online version of the program that we're running on Amazon Web Service. The Amazon one's a full version running off one of their servers. If it's glitchy or laggy, skip it. Use this link, bookmark this link. So I've already had my account created. You have to sign in with your Google account to get in to the program. Once you're in, here it is. Okay. I've already downloaded that file called stock to my computer, and I'm going to open from my computer that same version of, I think mine's on my desktop, called stock. Open it, let it open. It's the same we're going to work with as the video shows. Difference is this toolbar's on the left side of your screen versus top of your screen. Same thing. We're asked you to use the orbit tool. Ours is over here. Same thing. Click, drag, 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 drag. Asks you to use a push-pull tool. It's right here. It asks you to measure certain things. Different point is, you gotta look for them. They're all by pictures. So measuring would have all of our dimensioning things under it. Click. There's a dimension tool. I can hover. Click, drag, drop. That's still at same 1 foot. Okay, where did it go? Oh, try it again. Hover, click, drag, drop. There it is. Okay, so it works the same there too. For copying and pasting, more of a keyboard versus a menu. If I highlight both items, I go Control C means copy, Control V means paste, and there they are. Okay, so if you do use this online version, just translate from the video to these tools. All right. Any questions? Let me know. Otherwise, good luck.